Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Citizen error code 70004. The error reads anti-cheat error, failed to load anti-cheat module. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. Many users shared that they were unable to load into Star Citizen because the game failed to load the anti-cheat system. According to our research, this error is most likely related to missing or corrupted anti-cheat files, EAC bypass settings, or system configurations blocking the anti-cheat from loading properly. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to delete the anti-cheat folder from your drive and then verify the game files through the launcher. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then undo any EAC bypass you may have performed for VR use. The bypass blocks EAC from loading, which may cause the error. Once undone, check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check your launch script for any global variables that disable EAC. Remove those variables and see if the error still comes. At last, if you still get the error and you are on Linux, try running the game through Lutris. Many players confirmed that running Star Citizen this way helped resolve the issue, so give this a try and see if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.